right now.
A special meeting is now in the works at RIPTA to deal with the mess their chief executive officer is now in. Good evening. I'm Patrice Wood.
I'm Gene Valicenti, and we wonder if it's a move to send him packing in the wake of yesterday's embarrassing court action on an alleged hit and run. The I-Team's Brian Crandall has the latest.
One day after Scott Avedisian went to court, the chorus grew for a special meeting at RIPTA. He's charged with leaving the scene of a crash, with statements from the other drivers involved has only added fuel to the fire. Scott Avedisian has faced a judge and the court of public opinion. Now his bosses will weigh in, the board at taxpayer-backed RIPTA. Warwick police accuse Avedisian in his RIPTA SUV of causing damage to 2 cars in a McDonald's drive-thru and then driving off last week. One driver told police and the other told us the driver at fault appeared to possibly be under the influence.
I've said it's a serious issue.
Governor Dan McKee added this on the situation early this afternoon.
This is a function of the board. The board should call a special meeting. They should go over the facts because you're asking those questions and the general public is asking those questions. They should follow the facts, and then they should follow the procedures that are in place.
Shortly after that statement from the governor, by mid-afternoon, RIPTA board chair Peter Alviti, McKee's DOT director, was in the process of scheduling the special meeting. Alviti's spokesman saying he agrees with the governor on calling a meeting. RIPTA board member Patrick Crowley, who heads the Rhode Island AFL-CIO union, also told me a meeting to talk about Avedisian's employment status is in order.
Do you feel like this has hurt RIPTA's reputation, or what's going on there?
It's a really inopportune time for having this kind of distraction for RIPTA. I think we were making progress in convincing the General Assembly to increase the budget allocation for the agency, and this is going to be a setback for sure.
Governor McKee says he has not spoken to Avedisian since he's been embroiled in this scandal. I'm Brian Crandall, NBC 10 News.